Did you wake up feeling heavy again? Like your hips are locked and your breath can't find its way through? You don't need to fight the day. You just need to meet your body first. Let's hit the mat. Sit tall. Bring the soles of your feet together. Knees falling out to the sides. Hold your feet or ankles. Breathe in, lift the chest. Breathe out, gently fold forward. Your hips carry more than just tightness. They hold emotion, frustration, fatigue, even fear. And this stretch lets it go. I promise, you'll feel the softness by the end of this minute. Beginners, keep your heels further away from the groin. Advanced stretches, bring your feet closer and fold deeper with each exhale. Did you know that tight hips can actually drain your energy? 5 more seconds. Breathe into that low tension. That just released the outer layers. Now let's rotate deep. Sit with your knees bent, feet flat and wide. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, come back to center and alternate. Like windshield wipers. Continue alternating slowly with control. This one's subtle, but it speaks straight to the stubborn spot that most of us ignore. Internal rotation is one of the first ranges we lose, and one of the last we train. I promise this will help unlock better walking, squatting, and even resting. Beginners, keep the feet wide and go slow. Advanced stretches, try it with a slight lean back for more range. Still not feeling it? Focus on slow control, not speed. Hold for 5 more seconds at the bottom. That just untied the inside, and let's open across the back. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left knee. Grab behind your left thigh and gently pull towards your chest. Switch sides at 30 seconds. This move targets the glutes, piriformis, and hip capsule all at once. It's a gold mine if you've been sitting too long or carrying too much. I promise, if your back has felt tight lately, this might be the unlock. Beginners, keep the bottom foot on the mat. Advanced stretches, use the elbow to gently push the top knee away. Do you feel that yet? If not, breathe and relax shoulders. That's where the tension hides. Final 5 seconds on the left side. That just created deep space. Now let's ground with control. Stay on your back. Hug your right knee into your chest. Feel the spine lengthen and the hip draw deep. Switch legs at 30 seconds. This one seems simple, but it brings your nervous system down and your awareness in. I promise, the stretch will quiet the noise and bring you back to yourself. Beginners, keep the other leg bent for support. Advanced stretches, extend the opposite leg long and feel the full body lengthening. Just ask yourself, can you relax your jaw and shoulders while holding this? That's control. And that just set the tone. Now let's seal it in. Come into kneeling, big toes together, knees apart. Stretch your arms forward and let your forehead rest on the mat. Let this one hold you. This isn't just a pose, it's a permission slip to slow down, to exhale, to begin again. I promise, if you breathe fully here, your body will start to trust the day. Beginners, place a pillow under your chest. Advanced stretches, walk the fingers forward and press the hips back deeper. Final challenge. Can you stay still and surrender for just 5 more seconds? That just anchored your morning in peace. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that help you reconnect to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. All delivered daily to your email inbox. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.